Hello everybody, welcome to iDream Bio. This is Nursing. The roots of education are bitter, but the fruits of education are so sweet. Yes, we can find many struggles in the beginning in the life, but we have to overcome to reach our goals. The concept what I am going to teach that makes healthier society by knowing of health education. So the concept is applicable for all medical entrance examinations. This is a rhesus factor. RH factor, which influence about the condition erythroblastosis fetalis. Erythroblastosis fetalis. Yes, let me use it. RH factor. But the name of the monkey, macaca rhesus. So this is the RBC cell, RBC of macaca rhesus. On RBC, there are a special structures of antigens are noticed by the scientist. These are special structures of antigens which are noticed by scientist Landsteiner and Weiner in year 1940, that is before independence. They were noticed special structures of the proteins on RBC of the macaca rhesus. Since the protein factors are noticed in the rhesus monkey, this is a rhesus monkey, so these factors are called as a RH factors. So RH factors. RH factors. The RH factors also present in some of the human beings. Based on the presence or absence of the RH factors, the human beings can be two categorization. So the people, those who have the RH antigen in their body, they considered RH positive blood, RH positive people. The people, those who do not have RH antigen, that means no RH antigen, they are belongs to RH negative persons. So in India, approximately in India, there are a 93% of the people have RH positive and 7% of the people have RH negative. Just what I have written, RH antigen. But antigen, if the antigens means antibodies are needed, but naturally RH positive people have no antibodies. So no antibodies against antigen in RH positive people. But when do antibodies are developed? But the case is, whenever the small amount of the RH positive blood given to the RH negative people, the RH negative people develops antibody. These antibodies, once the antibodies are produced in the RH negative body, they remain throughout their life. So this is even the small amount, even the 0.05 ml of the blood is given to the RH negative person. It evokes the production of the antibodies in the RH negative body. Yes, this is. In the genetically, the RH, we said about the antigen. The antigen production that done, for example, there are several, let me write about the several antigens as well as several antigens of that of antibodies are present, but mostly commonest RH antigens are common RH antigens are antigen D, and this is antigen, and anti D, this is a antibody. Let me write, this is antibody. These are mostly common one. So the antigen, let's say, the antigen that is a synthesizes, the antigens production that is done by, it is influenced by multiple alleles. multiple alleles. But what about the antigen? In generally RH, the inheritance of the RH for RH groups, the inheritance of the RH groups in offspring generation or one generation to the another generation, that is a done by consist of the at least three genes like a gene C, gene D, gene E. Three genes, 1, 2, 3. The three genes which are present in the first chromosome out of 46, which are present in the first chromosome of human being. So this gene, basically the gene that consists of the two alleles, capital C, capital small c, capital D, small d, capital E, small e. But the C gene and E gene, the both that having of a weak ones, so they work about minimal immune response. So that is the reason we can consider it as a capital D. Yes, let me write about the mechanism. For example, the homozygous condition, for example, this is the capital D is a homozygous dominant act. It is a male parent and is crossed with homozygous recessive, which is a female parent. Homozygous dominant, which is a RH positive person, which is a RH negative, this is a RH positive. It forms about the two gamete D and gamete D, and here is also gamete D and gamete D. These are a gametes. Gametes are a crossed, ultimately what formed? Capital D, small d, offspring generation. This is a condition is a heterozygous. Heterozygous condition also having of RH positive. This is a offspring. So the cross between RH positive parent, male parent to RH negative, female parent to offspring generation having of RH positive blood. So let me, this is, I can represent this another way. This is RH dominant form. Homozygous dominant is a cross with it is a male parent. RH, this is a RH recessive. It is a female parent, which is a RH negative, which is a RH positive. Is the same gametes are formed, RH gamete. Here is also same RH. Gametes are fused ultimately heterozygous heterozygous condition of RR. Yes, heterozygous condition of the form is formed. This is also RH positive blood. So we can follow this. We can any. So whatever it may be, homozygous dominant having RH positive, heterozygous offspring. Heterozygous means one of the parental, this is one of the allele that dominates another one. So it follow the Mendelian principles. Let me use the same thing I will use in the diagrammatic representation. For example, this is the female body. Yes, female body. To knowing about the female body, so just I use yes, female body. So this is uterus of the mother. Let me write about the uterus of the mother. Uterus. See the female, that is a carrying the first pregnancy. The mother uterus, this is the mother uterus. But after the fertilization in the fallopian tube, the blastocyst, that is a settle in the implantation takes place in the uterus wall. After that, the fetus, third month of the embryo, third month of that is embryo. From the third month of the pregnancy, the embryo is called as a fetus. Let me write about the uterus that having of, this is the mother. What mother? I said uses negative. So RH negative mother is carrying what? Fetus. The fetus is, yes, third month of the pregnancy. I use about fetus. The embryo that from the third month of the pregnancy is called as a fetus. The fetus having of, there is a connection through umbilical cord and which is having of the placenta. So this is the placenta. The placenta is a common tissue between the uterus of the mother as well as in the fetus. So there is it provides about the nourishment to the baby also. Now this condition of this, what about the mother is a Rh negative, what about the fetus? Fetus I said offspring generation is a Rh positive. Rh positive persons having of what? Antigen. What we call the antigen? Antigen D. So which having of antigen D. Yes. What about mother? Mother no antigen D. But during some cases, in case of during the delivery as well as during the pregnancy, even some bleeding, some amount of the RBC from the Rh fetus. So basically it is known as fetus. Let me write this fetus. Fetus. So some amount of the RBC cells that allowed to the uterus of the mother, for example. RBC cells means these are anti-D, these are antigens. Antigens are allowed to the mother body, maternal body circulation. Now these antigens which will be present in the negative body. What is the concept? Whenever the small amount of the Rh positive blood is allowed into the Rh negative, antibodies are produced. So the same thing in the mother body, antibodies are produced. Antibodies, 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 antibodies. So this is a time consuming process. So some more proteins I have, antigens are I am noticing. So time consuming process, which is antibodies are production is initiated. Antibodies. So when the time it comes, when it grown 9 months time period in the uterus, the fetus that is expelled out from the uterus by the mother by the hormonal control. So that is known as a childbirth. So the first baby, yes, the first baby comes out without any complication. Clear? And I will go for the second baby. Second baby, same mother. See, same mother is carrying the second pregnancy. But what about that? I use the same representation. Again the same diagrammatic represented. First baby that expelled out. See, same mother is carry the second pregnancy. She given the life for the another baby. So what about the same? Placenta formation takes place. Even the fetus formation, the fetus development, fetus formation. Yes, the fetus is always what about the same? I said offspring, both same parents. Same parent, mother is a negative. So what about the fetus? Rh positive. Rh positive means what they have? Antigen. What do we call the antigen? Antigen D. So they have same antigen D. Antigen D. This is antigen. But already the antibodies production is initiated in the beginning, in the previous pregnancy. The antibodies which are produced here, these antibodies, as they have low molecular weight, the antibodies are belongs to the IgG class of immune globin. So this is the low molecular weight, they are belongs to the class I have mentioned. These low molecular substance of the antibodies that are allowed to the fetus. So antibodies are allowed to the fetus. Now antibody. What do we call the antibody? Simply antibody is nothing but anti-D. So let me write anti-D. Anti-D. So there is a reaction between the antigen D and anti-D. So this is antigen, this is an antibody. So due to that clumping or clotting that takes place, the blood that clotted, clumping, the clotting or clumping is known as a agglutination. Agglutination. The agglutination takes place. What about the RBC cells are destroyed? The destroyed RBC cells are carried to the liver. The liver that gets more a burden. So due to that, the fetus that death. So that is known as the fetus is abortion of the fetus or death of newborn baby. So what about which one is affected? First baby is not affected, but second baby is affected. Reason is already antibodies which are produced in the same mother that react with the antigens of the fetus also. Agglutination takes place due to that RBC cells are going to destroy it, that is a hemolytic. So this phenomena, this clumping or a agglutination of the blood in between of the antigens and antibody is due to that death of the baby or as well as abortion of the fetus. This phenomena, this condition is called as erythroblastosis fetalis or hemolytic condition. So it is known as a hemolytic disease of newborn. So both are same. Hemolytic disease of newborn is nothing but erythroblastosis fetalis. So first second baby gets affected. What about the third baby? If the third baby, same mother is a carry, the third baby means it gets affected. To avoid that, after the first delivery, the mother should given the injection. What about the injection? RH immune globulin. RH immune globulin injection should be given the mother. Or otherwise, let me write what precautions. Yes. So to avoid the complications, so RH negative mother, this is actually the RH negative mother are given. What about RHO-GAM? This is known as RHO, means RHO is a protein. GAM is nothing but gamma globulin. So this is called as a RH negative antibody preparation. So these are given when the first delivery happened, when the first baby, the mother given the birth for the first baby. So immediately it is given this, and it prevents the complication in the second delivery. Or otherwise, another way which we have, that is the easy method, is marriages between the negative blood groups. So marriage between the negative blood groups means, for example, male parent to female parent. Male parent is a RH negative, female parent also RH negative. There will be a offspring generation having of the RH negative. There will be no complication. So this is also one of the method. And for example, what will be happen if the parent of the male parent, if RH negative, female parent RH negative, so what about the offspring generation? Offspring is a RH negative, so there is no precautions. What are the precautions? No need precautions, no precautions. Nothing to worry. What about the male parent having of RH positive, female is RH positive, and offspring also RH positive? No precautions, nothing to worry. But the complication is when the male parent is RH positive and the female parent is RH negative. So the offspring generation either RH negative or RH positive. So RH positive. So the fetus, this is fetus blood given to the RH negative blood develops about antibody, it is a complication. So in these cases, so they given injection, that is a what about RH immune globulin should be given. But what about the RH factors, sir? Really, RH factor, in what way they are applicable? That means RH factor that determines about our blood group is a positive or a negative. How, sir? As for the Landsteiner, let me use, yes, here. So as per the Landsteiner in the 1900, the blood groups AB, as per the ABO blood group system proposed by the Landsteiner, ABO blood group system. What about blood group A, blood group B, blood group AB, blood group O? We have a doubt, our blood group is A positive or A negative. So what about, so what I am going to that, but anti-D we given, anti-D serum. Yes. The A blood group should treated with anti-D serum if it is a clotted means positive, blood group is a positive. No clotting means blood group is a negative. The same thing, B blood group is a treated with a anti-D serum. Clotting means positive. No clotting means negative. The same thing, B negative. Clotting, AB positive. No clotting, AB negative. Clotting, if O group should be given, O group treated with the anti-D serum. If it is a clotted is a nothing but somewhat is a clumping takes place. So the liquid form of the blood that gets as the solidified. So the same O positive, O negative. So the positive and negative are determined by the RH factor. So since it was discovered in the RBC of rhesus monkey, this is a rhesus monkey, it is called as a RH factor. So I hope you understood the concept. Keep watching. Thank you.